In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply custom fields in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to tailor your QuickBooks experience and make your accounting process more personalized, custom fields are a great place to start. They allow you to add additional data points to transactions and reports, which can be crucial for tracking more nuanced details specific to your business needs. Let's begin by visiting the QuickBooks website. Open your preferred web browser and type QuickBooks Online into your search bar. Once you see the official QuickBooks website in the search results, click on it to access the home page. Next, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your user credentials, so go ahead and input your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Then click on Sign In again to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, locate the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear and can usually be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open the Settings menu. In the drop-down that appears, select the Account and Settings option. This will bring you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your QuickBooks experience. On the left side of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Sales tab to move forward. A new set of options will appear. You'll notice several customizable features here, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with them. But for today's purpose, we'll focus on enabling custom transaction numbers. Before doing that, you might see a prompt or confirmation to proceed, so just make sure to click on OK if prompted. Now look for the option to turn on custom transaction numbers. This feature allows you to assign unique identifiers to your transactions, which can be incredibly helpful for tracking and reporting. Toggle this option on by clicking the switch. You should see it change color, indicating it's enabled. Last but not least, remember to save your changes. You'll typically find the Save button towards the bottom of the settings section or page you've been adjusting. Click Save to ensure all your settings are properly updated and take effect in your account. And there you have it. You've successfully applied custom fields in QuickBooks Online, giving you the flexibility to add and track specific information tailored to your business needs. With this setup, managing your transactions should be more efficient and aligned with your unique business processes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials to optimize your QuickBooks experience further.